Guys, we've just arrived at Cars and Coffee. Let's see what cars we can see. Here comes a TVR, look! Guys, look what just turned up! Look at this, there's a Ferrari FA Tributo and then there's a Aston Martin Vantage. Guys, look how clean this N3 is. Look at these lovely cars. We've got a old 6.2 litre C63. And then we've got a AMG GTS, and then we've got another C63, and we've got an AMG GT 4-door. Guys, look at this M2 CF. Look at this. This is a Nissan 370Z, but it's not just a 370Z, it's a Nismo. Look at these three cars. We've got a S3, and then we've got another S3, and we've got a lovely gold car. Guys, look at this, an RS4. I think these sound better than the new ones. Guys, look at this M4. Check out the blue. Guys, look at this Porsche 911 Turbo S. Normally see an oval, but let alone two next to each other. Look at this lovely 190E. Look at this Aston Martin. You definitely can't beat a V8 M3. Check this out. Look at this 911 Turbo S. Look at this Alfa Romeo 4C. Guys, these are rally cars on the road. This is a GR Yaris. We don't do that. Guys, look at these two blue cars. There's a Lotus Emira and a 5-litre Mustang. We're back from the car meet. I had a really good day. I really appreciate if you would like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.